your water looks clean, but you're not really sure what's in it, this might be one of the easiest upgrades you can make to your home. Today, I'm installing the Epic Water Filter Smart Shield Max under sink system. And the best part is you can do this yourself in about 15 minutes, depending on your sink setup and location. Water today carries a lot more contaminants than it did in the past, like the VOCs, microplastics, heavy metals, and the list goes on. The Smart Shield Max uses Core X trademarked technology, a triple layer filtration system designed to remove what traditional filters can't. Here is how the filter works. Stage 1 is a carbon impregnated nanofabric that traps bacteria, viruses, cysts, VOCs, and even microplastics. Stage 2 uses a dense carbon fiber block to reduce chlorine, heavy metals, PFAS, pesticides, and trace pharmaceuticals. And stage 3 targets the toughest contaminants, fluoride and arsenic. So you're getting more protection, better performance with the same simple under sink setup. This setup will also save you tons of cash on drinking water. One major reason why you might be interested in this kit. Epic Water Filters was kind enough to send this kit out so I could get it installed and tested. And man, let me tell you, it has not disappointed. Now here's what I really like about this system. It is seriously easy to install. Everything comes in the box and the instructions are clear and step by step. So you don't need a plumber. You don't need me walking you through every little step or detail. I'm going to show you the kit, then we'll jump straight to before and after once it's installed so you can see how clean and simple this setup really is. All right, inside the box, you've got the Smart Shield Max filter, the mounting bracket, the water feed adapters, tubing, and the dedicated faucet, all fittings and hardware you need. No extra trips to the store, no special tools, just a straightforward DIY install. All right, here's a quick look at the sink before and after. I'm going to place the dedicated faucet right here. I made sure everything was clear underneath. Here's my sink, pretty basic, not a lot of room, water feed lines up there. This system is really compact, so it'll fit perfect right here. All right, I'm going to follow these included instructions, get everything installed and connected, and then we'll check back in and see how this thing works. And just like that, we're installed. Clean, simple, and solid. The filter mounts nicely, the lines are tidy, and the dedicated faucet gives you filtered water on demand without affecting your regular tap. This is exactly what you want from a DIY system. No hassle, no complicated setup, and no plumber bill. All right, let's run some water through this for the first time. I did already test for leaks, but Epic says you need to run this for at least 5 minutes to make sure that you get all contaminants out. Oh, that's sick. And there it is, clean, filtered water straight from the Smart Shield Max. What I like about this system is you're not just improving taste, you're removing things most basic filters don't even touch, like PFAS, microplastics, fluoride, heavy metals, and more. If you drink tap water, cook with it, make coffee, mix baby formula, or just want better water in your home, a system like this makes a noticeable difference. No more guessing what's in your water. No more relying on basic pitcher filters, and no ongoing hassle once it's installed. Just turn on the faucet and it's there. If you've been thinking about upgrading your water, this is one of the easiest DIY improvements you can make. The Epic Smart Shield Max gives you advanced triple layer filtration, better protection, and a clean install without the cost of hiring a plumber. If you want to check it out, I'll put the link down in the description. And if this video helps you, make sure to like, subscribe, and follow.